Hi guys, this is HitterZX900. This is part 2 to Bee Swarm Simulator. Now I joined the group so I get to go to the honey dispenser. Let me just run over here. Yeah, it takes 50. Yeah. So basically, I almost have enough money to buy me another bee, guys. So guys, in this game, join the group and just come back, or you can just stay here. It really gives you that much honey. You need 150 honey. I'm gonna make some money. He makes some honey. Okay, make me some honey, guys. When you make honey, don't get stinged by a bee. Leave that in the comments below if you ever got stinged by a bee. You have the RIP wherever the bee stinged you. Be like, I just sit AFK. I'll ruin the video because I can't edit it out. I have to see his hard work. Also, I know a lot about this game. I'm making a YouTube video. So, yeah, I know a lot about this game. Oh no, it's a rhino beetle. Oh, ow, ow. You're never taking me alive. Oh no. I died. No, our honey. Took all our honey. Can I, guys, I'm gonna do it. Oh yeah, I am. So guys, I'm gonna run all the way over here to get some pollination or something. Should I get something? Hey, bye. I can't buy nothing. Well, hold on.
Yeah, that's nasty. Well, how did you make that much snot? Oh, every time he sneezes, it. He needs all bad. What you doing, snot face? Snot face.
Okay, guys. The screen went black. Go back into the game. No, we're gonna play a freaking Adopt Me. It says, oh my god. I guess they're just trying to thumbnail. Let's go back to Bee Swarm. Sim.
See, my shoes long, dude. I ain't gonna tell you again.
Sims 4, 5, 6. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we're joining back into the game. The bear's looking through the fourth wall. They want to kill you. Why does it tell me this? It's good that it's not one of those simulators where it doesn't say your progress. I can only jump. That's unfortunate. Can I move now? Can I move now? Let me reset. Let me reset my character. I literally can't move. How am I supposed to click upon now? Oh guys, that just ruined the video. Can't collect pollen. And don't try to friend me. I got 200. Well, let's play Flee the facility for the rest of the video. By Wise Apps. That sounds like this game should be on Google Play. Like its own game. .exe. Wise Apps. So guys, we're crouching like always. I'm gonna on the top of this girl. Hey, oh. Oh, oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, it's just him. I don't think he can do it. He's not that dank to do it. He's not that dank. Oh. No. Oh. Oh no. He's getting captured. He's getting dragged. He's getting good. Oh. Game over. The beast won. He won. Oh God. Why? Why? You had to do it to that man. Let's see what I got. I got Omega Rainbow. It's good. This is unlike Murder Mystery. Other games you can actually stop. Ooh, so it gives you more of a chance to get like a godly. Hey, I'm scaling the wall. I noticed that no one's blowing the map. Oh crap! Yeah, we're going here. Everybody knows this map already. Nobody wants to go to a different map. Buy now. I want to buy this. Look at the video.